In this Ipsos iSay review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money using this survey website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Ipsos iSay is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that is personally helping me to grow from 0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Ipsos iSay is basically a survey website and you guys can get paid for every survey that you complete. So for every survey that you complete, you can be earning around 20 cents to up to $1. Sometimes you're going to be seeing a survey that is $2 or $3 or even up to $5. It's going to be super rare. Most probably you won't see surveys like that, but even if you see a survey like that, it is probably going to be one time, because anything about $1 is very rare. So the maximum you can be earning is from 20 cents to up to $1. So these are the surveys you can be seeing every single day, and the amount of money that you're going to be making per survey really depends on your location as well. So if you're from an English speaking country like the United States, you're going to be getting a bit more surveys, and also for every survey that you do, you're going to be getting paid a bit higher. So if you want to look at where all this website is available, this website is available for almost 50 countries across the globe. So that is pretty great for a survey website, because other survey website, they basically focus on the US, UK, Canada, France, Germany, only these 5 countries. But apparently Ipsos iSay focus on up to 50 countries. So that's great. So if you want to check if your country is listed on this website, you have to just click on here. So you can see the continents like Asia, Europe, Latin America, Middle East, Africa, North America, Oceania. So if your countries are listed under these continents, then you can definitely come to ipsoisay.com and you can sign up with them. So while you sign up, you're going to be getting a 250 points bonus as soon as you sign up to them, which is about $2.50. So every 100 points that you get from the survey, it is going to equate to $1. So I think that is pretty cool, because this website Ipsos iSay pays pretty well. So if you want to look at the payment methods that they provide, you can go to rewards and you can see all these gift cards, and you can also have PayPal as well. So you can get a $5 PayPal fund, which is about 510 points. So it's going to take a lot of survey for you guys to actually get to $5. Then you have $15. Then you have $25 PayPal fund as well. So based on your location, you're going to be getting these gift cards. So based on my location, which is India, I have this Domino's pizza card. Then I have Dunkin' Donuts, Burger King. Then I have Target. Then I have Starbucks, Subway and Amazon gift card as well. So based on your location, you're going to be seeing different gift cards. And if you ask me how much money you can be making from a website like Ipsos iSay, I'm sorry to tell you guys that you can't be making a lot of money using this website. The survey that you're going to be getting every single day is going to be very limited. So I'm going to say that every day you're going to be getting about 4 to 5 surveys. So that will equate to about $1 or $2, maybe up to $3 if you're from an English speaking country. But that's all you're going to be making from a website like Ipsos iSay, from a survey website, because survey website only pays this much. So the monthly earnings you can be making from an English country is probably going to be about $60 to $90. I'm going to say most people are going to be making only around $50 per month. But if you're from an English speaking country, you can be earning up to $100, maybe $90 per month. So that's the maximum you can be making. It's not a life-changing money or you can't use this money to travel around the world or anything like that. But as a survey website, I think Ipsos iSay is an excellent website. It has been there for a long time. So to cross check, I have gone to a website called Trustpilot. So this is basically a website in which you can get the trust score of this website. So if you go to Trustpilot and if you type in Ipsos iSay, you can see that almost 51,000 people has reviewed this website right over here, and it has got up to 4.2 stars, which is actually amazing, I would say. Anything about 4 stars in Trustpilot is actually an amazing company if you don't know. So if you look at the 5 star, there's a lot of 5 star. I have gone through it. I see people are being very positive about this particular website right over here, and you can also see a lot of 1 stars as well. But compared to the 5 stars, the 1 stars are pretty low, so I wouldn't really I wouldn't really bother. But I have gone through some of the 1 star, and they basically say that they are finding some glitch, or they are finding hard to log in, so they have problems, like small problems like that. Overall, I think Ipsos iSay as a survey website is an amazing website, and I do recommend for people who are willing to make about $50 to $100 per month. But if you're here, to make more than $100 per month, maybe $1,000 per month, maybe $5,000 or even $10,000 per month, I recommend you my favorite strategy, which is my free affiliate marketing guide. You can check it out by clicking the first link in the description. It's an absolutely free guide. You can access it. So that's basically it for this video of Ipsos iSay, and I hope to see you on another review video.